guys, how's it going? Today I want to show you another simple trick. I'll do a performance first, and then as always I'll go ahead and show you guys how it's done. So for this trick we have a dime. So if I just take the dime and I just try to give it a squeeze, whoops, let me try that again. Watch, if I just give it a squeeze like this, something impossible has happened. I can make it change right in to a dollar bill. Alright guys, that's the performance. Now here's the tutorial. Alright guys, for this trick you're going to need a dime and a dollar bill. So basically what you do is you take the dollar bill and you basically fold it up, and you're going to have it in your hand, which is, you can have it in the palm, or in this case it's going to be in a palm known as finger palm. So it looks like that. Just your fingers, these two fingers are curled around it, and you just relax your hand and it just rests right there. So basically what I do is I say I'm going to do something with a dime, and I'm doing a technique in magic which is known as lapping. And basically what lapping is making an object kind of like disappear in the most natural way. And usually most people, if they have an object, if it's kind of hard to pick up, the most natural way is for them to take it off the table and pick it up. So that's basically the method, basically what you do. On the first one, I say I'm going to do something with the dime, and I act like I lap it, but I still have it in my fingers. And I say we'll take it, and I say we'll give it a squeeze, and I purposely drop it. So the first time is a false placement into the hand, and the dime's still here. And now on this time, I'm really going to lap the coin. So basically, you got to make sure that your legs are closed so the coin doesn't fall down. So basically, this is what it looks like. I basically come up like this, and I just put the coin in my lap. I come up, and I say, I take it. We'll take the dime, and we'll place it in the fingers. And you can do it however you want. And I say we'll give it a squeeze, and then you can show that the dime has impossibly changed to a dollar bill. So guys, that's the performance and tutorial to this really cool trick. And as always guys, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. And as always guys, more videos are coming. So this has been an episode of J Skeet Magic, and until next time guys, peace.